beautiful castle behind me. I'm not kidding, this is beautiful. We have so many of these in Poland, it's nuts. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is this hair? This is Natalia from Natalka Design. Guys, I'm in a castle. I'm living my Hogwarts dreams. I mean, not that I really read Harry Potter, so don't mind me. I read Lord of the Rings and I loved it, and oh my god, it's so cool. It's so cool. I'll tell you all about it. And by the way, as I was saying, there's always two teams, Harry Potter versus Lord of the Rings. The question is, which one are you? I personally always been into Lord of the Rings. I read all the books, I've seen the movie, I feel like I'm Frodo, and my quest in life is to find Gandalf and to find my ring. Not the real one, just, you know, Ring of Life. Don't know what I'm saying, but do you know what I mean? Like Harry Potter, yes, I tried reading, but Lord of the Rings all the way, hands down. That's my jam. So either way, I'm feeling like I'm in the movie, and it's just crazy. They gave us robes, and the rooms are super old school and wonderful, and I just feel like in a movie. So again, let me have my walk, and let's start full day one. I'm super excited and curious. This thing called the College of Extraordinary Experiences. Now, the name itself is cool, that you want to see what's going on. Good morning, look at my face, look at my red face. I just did 5k, it was wonderful. When you're staying in a very intense place like this, intense isn't so much as going on, and it's up to you. Of course, you can go to bed at 7 p.m. if you want to, but naturally you talk to people, you get together, you chill, then things happen, then suddenly it's 2 a.m. every day. You just need to rebalance yourself. And one of the ways that I do that is run, is be in the nature or walk, no matter what. And I found this wonderful forest just outside the castle, and I just did 5k. And I'm quite tired, as you can see, because it's been a week since I did it. Not much, but also much. And I had some issue with my knees. Welcome 30s. But I feel so refreshed. I feel so good. Look at the sun. Beautiful sun. And now I'm ready to hit day 3 at the castle. There's so much going on. There's so much inspiration for me in terms of to capture things and visualize and put them together. And the best part of it is when I can share it with others. So whenever I drop something in a WhatsApp group, or I airdrop someone, or I'm like, well, can you tell me this sentence again? I would love to make that into a visual. People get really excited because they want to be part of it. I even let someone write something, doodle something on these. It's all about co-creation as we're here. So I'm just super excited to see what the day 3 will bring at the castle. There's so much craziness going on, I can't film half of it. But just so you know, it's awesome. So I'll see you, and I'll try to capture as much as I can. Bye. everyone. Today I have a very special guest. I'm so happy. Zen Sensei is with me, and he's a 16th century samurai. Now when I say that, just have a think what that means, because my mind is blown. We had a lovely class with Zen Sensei. He was teaching us all about being samurai, and we were painting these beautiful calligraphy drawings. So Zen Sensei, I would love to know, tell us please more about you and your story. What do you do? Because it's fascinating. We all love you so much.
Okay. Yes, and I was born 6th generation samurai family, and my name is Zen Takai. Okay? And how can I say? Sometimes people make a big image, and the samurai is always fighting and shouting and kill so many enemies. Okay? But in the fact, it's very different. Okay? Because ancient time, top of the society was the samurai people. Okay? Samurai people was a leader of the society. That's why their most important thing is that okay, how to avoid the fight. Okay? And this is very traditional style. Okay? Sometimes in the comics and the movie, always fighting, but in different image. Release their power and keep silent mind and control the balance and keep peace. Okay? This is most important education. Okay? And this education is that okay, and our suggestion is that okay, we can use in modern generation. Okay? That's why my mission is that okay, and go over the sea and teaching this method all over the world.
Okay, take 3. I just saw my friend who was running. Lovely friend. So, why I'm here? College of Extraordinary Experiences. What a wonderful name. You come here because of the name. You come here because the people that are running seem like really interesting people. And I was introduced to it through my lovely friend. Then he said, you should meet Klaus, one of the founders of it. And then he was like, you should come to the castle. I'm like, castle? Tell me more. Basically, it's a whole week in a castle in Poland, my homeland, and there's extraordinary experiences happening. You can see the beautiful castle behind me. I'm not kidding. This is beautiful. We have so many of these in Poland. It's nuts. Now, I haven't been here. It's wonderful. I'm super in shock. And it's around 100 something of us, and this is gonna be first full day. I have no clue what to expect. Maybe that's the best thing. But how I am coming to the play is helping to bring all these stories to life. Have my iPad, and when I feel inspired, when I hear something interesting, something stimulating, something different, I visualize with my iPad. So it could be quotes, it could be messages, it could be wonderful moments that I noticed, it could be anything. Think of it as a library of little tiles of moments that I feel like it's amazing to collect and then connect with and then create for everyone. It's crazy. It's a beautiful space. I'm loving it. I already met so many people, and I'm excited. I have just no clue what's gonna happen. So yeah, this is like, by the way guys, there's always Harry Potter and there's always Frodo team. Which one are you at? By the way, there's a gate. Can I open this gate? Let's see.
Between movement and sound. So without further ado, I present to you Zil and the ISO. Welcome to the cabaret, and we are so happy to have you. Are you guys excited?
Hello, who are you?
Hi, I'm Robert.
What do you do, Robert?
I draw for a living.
And why are you in this castle?
We had a big experience design conference sort of thing, and I was live sketching the different workshops that were happening.
Ooh, and what was your favorite workshop to sketch?
Well, there were two, a samurai one, very cool, and a outdoors trekking one.
And why is it important that you're here and what you do?
I mean, I had a talk with the photographers. Is I can capture parts and I can capture the path of different workshops in visuals that they can't do with photography. They can't capture the meaning of a workshop, so that's what I do.
And what do people usually tell you when they see your visuals? What is the kind of feedback that you're getting?
Ooh, what's this? Visuals, it's the boring saying that one visual says more than 1,000 words, and that is literally true, because visuals also contain memories. So when you see different parts of a visual, you have different parts of like packaged memories, and then more stuff comes out of than if you just see a block of text.
And what would you say to someone that never uses anything like this at work? Like, well, how could they get a bit more comfortable with that concept?
I mean, you can take workshops from Natalia, probably, for example, but
Yeah.
but it's really easy, and I would just don't think of it as drawing, think of it as stick figures, think of it as arrows, think of it as just blobs and shapes. You don't need to be able to draw to do this.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, guess who I am here with? My new friend artist. Who are you?
My name is Adam Rosendahl. I live in Oakland, California.
And what do you do?
I'm the founder and CEO of a company called Late Night Art. It's all about addressing disconnection in the workplace using creativity in the arts.
Oh my god, guys, like since I met Adam, my life has changed. Apart from the fact that he just travels with like watercolors that are like dry in a little booklet. I'll pop a link somewhere to it down below because I want to buy it. He's also just has such interesting projects that he's doing, very meaningful projects that you shared with me. I don't know which ones you can share with us, but what would be the type of work that, if you can share with everyone, that you do, that you really enjoy doing as well, because that's important, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I'd say the one way to describe the work that I do is that the workplace right now is really disconnected. People are falling through the cracks, and there's a lot of people that are suffering. And so I have found a really unique way to use art and music and facilitation to kind of connect people and humanize them in the workplace through a 2-hour process that really just allows people to see each other in a very fresh way. And there's something about using visual art that helps people tap into a different part of themselves, get out of their normal way that they think and usually relate to each other. And it kind of has a novelty and a surprise element that just makes people kids again. And so we don't use art for art's sake or to help them become better artists, but we use it to help them become better human beings and to treat each other with more compassion and build empathy. So I found it to be an incredibly effective way to build connection and understanding.